Hey guys, so today you're going to finish your end of the term project, and when you open that up, it should look like this. We're going to answer the question with our 3 reasons today. Is it worth going to college? But first, we have to finish calculating the monthly student loan payments. So remember yesterday you found a college degree that you were interested in, whether it was an associate's, which would be a 2-year degree, or a bachelor's, which would be a 4-year degree. So you had your choice. Whichever one you choose, it'll kind of affect your student loan payment. So if you got an associate's, that would be a 2-year degree, and your bachelor's is a 4-year degree. And we're going to take the estimated average of tuition or to go to college each year, and that's $5,500. And that would be like a university or college in Minnesota. And that would be per year. All right, so most of the time people don't have $5,500 that they just put towards their student loans or towards going to college. So they take out a loan, student loans, in order to go to college, and then they pay off the loans later. So in order to find the principal of your student loan, you have to take your cost per year and times it by the number of years you went to college. So whether that's your associates, remember that's 2 years, or your bachelor's, that's 4 years. So for my example, I did an associate, so I'm just going to take that 5,500 times 2, and I get 11,000. That's going to be the principal on my loan. And most of the time, student loans range or average like a 5% interest rate for 15 years. So you're going to take your principal, which is your cost of going to college, times your interest rate times your years, using that I equals principal times rate times time formula. Okay, so my principal was 11,000. My rate, remember I have to make this percent into a decimal just by moving that decimal point over 2 spots to the left. So this is going to be 11,000 times 0.05, and my time is 15. And if I use my calculator slash phone, hang on. And just type that all in, I get $8,250. Remember, this is the total interest I'm going to be paying on that loan, so I need to add it to my principal, that 11,000, the amount that I took out on my loan in the first place, to figure out the total value of that loan. And I get 19,250. So that's how much I'm going to be paying total over 15 years. In order to figure out the monthly payment, I need to make my 15 years from years into months. And remember, there are 12 months in a year, so I'm just going to take that 15 times 12 equals 180 months. All right, now I'm going to take that total value of my loan, divide it by the total number of months that I have that loan to figure out how much I'm paying per month. And when I do that, I get $106.94. That's how much I'd be paying per month towards my student loan. After you do that, you're going to go ahead and answer that question at the very, very top. And there's no right or wrong answer to this question as long as you have some answers to back it up. This is a very personal question. It might be worth it to you if you have a degree that you're interested in, or if your starting pay would be more, or it might not be worth it for you, depending on your career goals and everything like that. So make sure you put down your answer, 3 reasons. Make sure 2 of your reasons are math related, like talking about your monthly payment or estimated salary growth. And then your last reason can be a non-mathematical reason. So whether or not like it's a degree you're interested in or you just don't want to go to school, all of those would work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And once you are finished, you can go ahead and turn it in and you are done with your end of the term final. See you later, guys.